Hi guys, so today I'll show you draw how to draw a house in MS Paint. So we'll make the page bigger. Okay. Now we will take the square or rectangle tool. I don't see any square here, so I'll use the rectangle tool. Okay, now triangle is not here, so we'll go with the full box and now check. Okay, it's now also not here. No problem, we'll draw a triangle. Take the line tool and now draw a triangle. Okay, very easy. I drawed it. Now choose any color and take the bucket tool. Fill it here. Now take any other color. Take the bucket tool and fill down. Don't use blue because blue is window, or you can use I like me. Now take the square and take the white. Now take the line tool and draw the windows. Now you don't need to draw another window. Just take the select tool and select the window, move it up and press Ctrl C and then press Ctrl V. And the other window is here. Then choose the blue color, take the bucket tool, put it here. Okay, now you can see that they both are not in the same line. So what we'll do is take the line tool and take the white color and then draw the line straight like this. Okay, so now we'll take the select tool and then select the window and make it down. Okay, now it's fine. Now I'll take blue and now the line. Okay. Okay, so I'll take the bucket tool and fill like this. If yours is not happening, you can also try this way. Okay. So now you can take the eraser tool and go to color 2 and also change your size and then go to color 2 and then select the blue and fill here. Because if you take the bucket tool here, then the windows will also become blue. So you can use the eraser. Okay, so now it's done. Now we'll take the rectangle tool and go to color 1. Then take the brown color. You can choose dark brown or light brown. And then draw the logo like this. Okay. Now take the circle color. Take the color black. Okay, and also take the fill solid color. Now take the bucket tool and fill in black. Now take the brown color which you used, the lighter brown, and pull it. Now we'll make the background. Okay, so these both colors you can use, and you can also go to edit colors and create your own background. Okay, so I like this background, so I'll fill here, but the colors not matching, so I'll not use this. Okay, so I'll change it because the color is not matching. Okay, so now it's looking nice. Now I'll draw the clouds. Okay, so now we'll draw the clouds. And this rain is coming, but we don't have to draw the rain. So we'll go to color 2, select the blue color, and then the eraser tool, and put the size the biggest, and then we'll erase it. Okay, so done. Now we don't need to use the erase tool again, so we will select it, press Ctrl C and then V. Okay, so the another cloud has come. Now we'll move it here and we'll do the both clouds like this. Okay, so done. You can also make them smaller like me and join these two clouds so it looks one cloud and it also looks nice. Oh, it's looking nice. You can see that it's looking one cloud, but there are actually two clouds. Okay, so bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.